Hey my sugar pies, I finally moved rooms. I'm in a new room right now and so far so good. Things have been good. I've been here for the past 5 days now and I've not experienced any kind of nightmare and all that. I've been sleeping peacefully. So I think that room, someone might have died in there. I don't really know. Anyways, I'm up and ready. I'm going to town. I'm actually going to look for an affordable ring light. I really do need a ring light, especially the tripod. So I'm on my way to town. I'm going to town. I'm gonna look for I'm gonna look for a ring light, an affordable one, probably just 10 inches. And I said, let me just come here and say hi to you guys and probably take you guys along with me if I don't vlog while I'm outside, because I'm going to downtown first and downtown is just not a good place to vlog. If I don't vlog, I'll see you guys once I'm back and give you guys an update. All right. Hey sugar pies, so we are back home. It's freaking hot, but I'm not complaining because the weather has been so gloomy. We got the ring light. Let me just show you guys how it is. Since I don't have anywhere to place you guys, I'm just gonna flip the camera and show you guys how it looks like, and then we're gonna set it up together. Okay, so this right here are the legs, the stand, and then this is the light. I bought a 12-inch because that's what my money could afford. This is how it is. The box outside, it's like that. And then I also bought a cleansing bar for my face, African Extra Rooibos. I'm excited to try that. I also bought some pads, because if you put your clothes in the hanger, if you put your clothes outside on the line without pegs, you find them in Durban. In Victoria, you're gonna find your clothes in Durban. They literally fly. So I had to get this. I bought each for R4, so 2 packets. I got it for 80 rand. In this cleansing bar soap, I bought a Clicks, and this is 24 rands. Yeah, for 24 rands. I'm excited to try this. My skin has been behaving lately, so I'm also excited to try this. And the thing that sold me to this cleansing bar is the salicylic acid. Can you guys let me put on the tripod and then we'll talk? Okay, let me put you on the tripod. Legs, I just removed them from the box. They come like this. This is the legs. Put them aside, and then we are gonna open this one and then set it up. Just want to show you guys what's inside here. Okay, it comes like that. This is the ring light. It's a bit small. I don't know if it's gonna do the job, but you get what you pay for. So this is how it is. It has this cable right here. You can just connect it to a USB, whatever, and then this is where you adjust the light, the power on and off kind of thingy. And then this is the phone holder, where it holds the phone. This is where it this way, and then you also have this. So let me set this up and then I'll talk to you guys when I've put it up. So this is us on a tripod. This tripod is so easy to assemble. This is us on a tripod without the light. Okay, so now I'm gonna switch on the light. Let's see. I'm so scared because I don't know. And this is us with the light. It's not so bad, okay? It's not so bad. Like, I'm not that disappointed. At least there's light, a little bit of it, not much, but at least it's there, you know, you can see. Actually, I wanted to get the 14 inches, but then again the price was like out of my budget, so I just had to get this one. And I mainly bought this one for the tripod, because sometimes I want to like shoot sit down videos and I don't have a place to like put my phone. With the light, it's not so bad, and it's afternoon, so there's natural light coming in, and then there's this. I think in the evening it's going to perform much better. So I wanted to get the 14 inches, but unfortunately we had no money, so we got the 12 inch. I'm not mad, like it's something is better than nothing. So I bought this one at this Indian shops in Marabastad, and this one, it was 300 rands cash. 300 rands, no discount, no nothing. He started at 350 and he was like, okay, you give me 300. So I'm not mad, at least I have a ring light. It's not a bad thing. So as I was saying, I was talking about this. I said about this, right? I was talking about these things here, and I say that if you put your clothes on the hanger and you don't have this, you find your clothes somewhere in Durban. And then I was talking about this cleansing bar soap. Come here, focus for the people, focus for the people, let the people see you. You don't want, all right, it's okay, it's okay if you don't want. Anyway, so this is African Extract Rooibos cleansing bar. Why am I so overexposed all of a sudden? One that I feel overexposed. Anyways, we'll continue. So this is the African Extracts Rooibos cleansing bar with bioactive rooibos, baobab, and salicylic acid. The thing that sold me to this soap is the salicylic acid. As I mentioned in my previous vlog, that I did some research and I realized us oily people, we need a lot of salicylic acid. So the salicylic acid in this sold me, and I'm excited to try it. And I'll show you guys, I'll let you guys, my English left the room, I'll let you guys know my reviews, but I'm actually going to review this on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do follow me, because that's where I'm gonna upload the review over there. But here I'm just gonna like talk to you guys about it. And I bought this, as I said, it's 24 rands, and I'm super excited to try it. I didn't want to go and buy the whole range, like as in face wash, toner, day moisturizers and stuff. I just want to try one product at a time, and I was like, let me try the cleansing bar soap, because with African Extract Rooibos, I have tried these products before, like way back before, a few years ago. This was my first South African own brand product that I ever tried, and it loved my skin. By then they only had the classic range, which is the one I tried. I had a cleanser, I had a toner, and I had a daily moisturizer, and it was nice on my skin. But over the years they have grown, and they've extended their range. Now they have this purifying range. This is a purifying range, which is basically for us oily skin, problem skin kind of people. And then they also have a radiant range, which is a new range. They have that, which is more luxurious, because the price is also a little bit up there. So I'm excited to try this. If this does me good, I'm gonna go back and take the toner, the daily moisturizer, probably the night cream. I don't think I'm gonna take the night cream, and I'm on the lookout for a new sunscreen. That is my next goal. So you guys, I'm super excited to try this tea. Okay, ringlight, what are you giving? Yeah, so I'm super excited. I'm super excited to try this ring light and to shoot content with it. I know it's not that much, as I wait to invest in like professional lights and professional cameras. For now, we're gonna use this, and this will do. So I don't have much for this vlog. I'm gonna end it here. I don't know if it's enough footages. I'm sorry. I'm gonna end it here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys stay blessed. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and don't skip the ads. Bye.